Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my hotel room. It's kind of weird, but I have a green screen behind me, so you guys don't know where I'm at, although I just told you. But today what I have is I have a pair of hair cutting scissors. So it's with all the stuff going on in the world today, sometimes you don't want to have to go and interact with people, so maybe if you need to just do a little trim of your bangs or something, or just do a little cleanup, the scissors would be good for that. Unfortunately, well, fortunately for me, I just had my hair cut, so it actually looks pretty decent, so I'm not going to be able to test it on me, but we're going to take a look at the scissors anyway and see what they are, and maybe I'll test them on some pieces of paper or something and see how good it cuts. Let's see what we got here. So we have the scissors, and then we have these round things, which I think go inside the scissor holes to make it a little smaller. We'll see how it works here. And then here's this. Wow, these scissors actually feel surprisingly good. You can see there's a little name on them and everything like that. I can't see if it's upside down or upside up. I should have worn my glasses, but okay, but whatever. So here you go. So here's the instructions on it and stuff. I don't know if everything's backwards for you or not, but if it is, oh well, I guess maybe I'll try to make it look better on post-production. But let's see, and then we have these little rubber things, which they're little, yeah, I guess, I don't know what the difference in the colors are. It comes with different, so it comes with two black ones and two, I don't know, is this yellow maybe, or red? They seem like they're the same size as each other. Actually, maybe the black ones, I mean, they seem the same size, but I think the way these work is you put them inside the little holes inside here. It's like a little rubber thing. So if you have smaller fingers or something, you can use them. There, like that. So now it'll fit somebody with little small fingers. I mean, my fingers aren't that small. Well, actually, my fingers aren't that big. I can fit that in there fine with that. And I guess if I have a small thumb, I can stick it in this one here too. Let me put one of each color in there. See what we got. So there, now we have one of each color in there. The black you don't even see because the scissors are black. But there we go. And they sounds like hair cutting scissors. Okay, so let's see how they cut. So let's see, what do I got here? I have no idea what this is. I will not be cutting it. Let me see. Actually, I have the papers from the scissors. Why not just cut that? So here we go. So here's our paper from the scissors, from this. Cuts nice and good. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, here we have the screw. We can unscrew it and screw it on again to tighten it up. Actually, these would be pretty nice. These are like professional scissors, so I can loosen it, make for an easier cut, or tighten it if I like to force it a little bit better. But they cut actually really well. Yeah, if I was cutting hair or something, because you can hear it's got the connection all the way through. And for an inexpensive pair of scissors, to be able to hear it going all the way, it's pretty good. And then I used to have a friend who cut hair. Should have her kind of check these out. I would if I spoke to her anymore. But and then it's got the little finger connect thing there, so you can kind of put your extra little finger on it to cut your hair like that. So, but there you go. I'm sure I have a friend who cuts my hair, the one who cuts my hair now. She would check these out for me. So maybe I'll take them with me next time I go and get my hair cut and get her to give a professional opinion on them. I'm sure she'll say they're not as good as her super fancy ones, but they work good for me. And if I'm just cutting somebody's hair, cutting a dog's hair, or cutting my kid's hair just to kind of trim it up a little bit, these are gonna work just fine. So I like them. I'm giving them a thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to them in the description, and be sure to subscribe to my channel as I review more stuff, and like this video, and I'll be back when I have more things to review. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.